At AES, we're accelerating the future of energy together with our customers, our partners, our stakeholders, pretty much everyone with whom we work.
Dynamic line rating is very beneficial to our customers. What it does is it allows us as a utility to optimize the value that we're extracting from our existing assets, which makes us better stewards of our customers' money. And so we've been involved at the very start, identifying problems and then looking at potential solutions, and LineVision is the solution that we've selected.
Utilities are undergoing an unprecedented amount of change right now, and they are looking for partners to help them make sense of it all. As we incorporate all kinds of new technologies as well as distributed energy resources, everything that utilities have been using to operate the grid for the last several decades is going to need to change.
I'm just really excited for the data itself. One of our key objectives here is to get smarter about our grid. And so this project will be a win if we just understand our grid better.